Check out the teaser for the upcoming Realme 13 Pro series. Realme is gearing up to unveil its latest smartphones in India, featuring the Realme 13 Pro and Realme 13 Pro Plus. While the exact release date hasn't been confirmed yet, these devices are set to debut in China early this July, suggesting an Indian launch around the same time. According to Realme, the 13 Pro series is poised to redefine mobile photography with advanced AI camera technology, promising to bring powerful features to a wider audience at an attractive price point. The Realme 13 Pro Plus is rumored to include a cutting-edge 50-megapixel periscope camera with 3x optical zoom and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 South Gen 3 processor. Both phones are expected to sport expansive 6.7-inch AMOLED displays with FHD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. They will run on Android 14 with Realme UI 5.0 layered on top. Variants of the Realme 13 Pro and Pro Plus will likely offer different memory configurations ranging from 8GB to 12GB RAM paired with storage options up to 512GB. Color choices are also set to impress, with the Realme 13 Pro coming in Sky Green, Monet Gold, and Monet Purple, while the 13 Pro Plus will offer Emerald Gold and Monet Gold. While pricing details are yet to be revealed, these smartphones will be available in India through Flipkart and Realme's online store. Stay tuned for more updates on July 4th during Realme's Imaging Media Preview event in Bangkok. Are you excited about the Realme 13 Pro series? Let us know in the comments below.